Hello class 12th. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is origin of life. As the name, life is the power. Life is the power that an organism possesses to maintain and reproduce itself. Okay. The origin of life is considered to be a unique event in the history of universe. Origin of life is the unique event in the history of universe. The origin of life has been the most puzzling problem also. It is a puzzling problem. अभी तक किसी को पता ही नहीं चला है कि कहाँ से origin हुआ है of the biologists since the ages. They have tried to answer the question that in which form the life originated on the earth. There are several diverse views regarding the origin of earth and indeed the universe. Okay, it is believed that the cosmos, which comprises all the material of the cosmos theory भी बोलते हैं उसको. Okay, cosmos which comprises all the material of reality originated in 10 to 20 billion years ago. The prevalent view is that the cosmos originated with a massive explosion of the tightly condensed matter billions of years ago. A Big Bang theory. A Big Bang theory. It talks of a singular huge explosion of the unimaginable in physical term. The universe expanded and hence the temperature came down. Hydrogen and helium formed sometimes later. The gases condensed under gravitation and formed the galaxies of the present day universe. Huge cluster of galaxies comprises the universe. Galaxies contain star, clouds of gases and dust. Okay, now origin of life on earth. There are many theories. The major theories accounting for the origin of life on the earth are as follows. First theory for origin of life, theory of spatial creation. That is theory of spatial creation. As a name, theory of spatial creation. According to the theory of spatial creation, life is originated on earth due to the supernatural power. Due to the supernatural power. ठीक है, सारे हॉली बुक्स में अलग अलग है. हिंदूज अलग बताते हैं, क्रिश्चियंस अलग है, बाइबल में अलग लिखा है. ओके, supernatural power, an event which cannot be described. All plants and animals appear on the earth in the form they exist today. The supernatural power, the God created all living beings on the earth. According to the first chapter of Genesis in the Bible, word has created within a 6 natural day. According to the Bible, world was created within a 6 natural day. जैसा है वैसे ही था, 6 दिन में बना दिया गॉड ने. ओके, एंड 6th day human being were created. First man called Adam and woman is Eve, as you know. According to the Bible, 6th day किसको बनाया? Adam and men and Eve, the woman, then woman Eve. From the 12th rib of the man. And according to the Hindu mythology, God Brahma created the world. This theory is upheld by most of the world major religions and civilization and based purely on the faith. Since the process of the spatial creation occurred, it cannot be observed. This is sufficient to put the concept of spatial creation outside the framework of the scientific investigation. This is the theory of spatial creation. Depend upon the book, that is according to the Bible. God made it within 6 days, and on the 6 days, first man, that is Adam, and woman, that is Eve. And according to the Hindu mythology, God Brahma created the world. Okay. Now second theory, that is the theory of spontaneous generation. Theory of spontaneous generation. ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एबायोजेनेसिस, मीन्स कोई बायोलॉजिकल चीज से नहीं बना है अर्थ, फ्रॉम द एबायोलॉजिकल और एबायोटिक, एबायोजेनेसिस और ऑटोजेनेसिस थ्योरी, और ऑटोजेनेसिस theory. According to this theory, this theory was prevalent in ancient Chinese and Babylonian and Egyptian civilization as an alternative to the theory of the spatial creation which is coexisted. According to this theory, life originated from the non-living matter. Okay, according to this theory, life originated from non-living matter abiogenetically. That is without the intervention of the living thing. Greek philosopher Anaximander maintained that plants and animals were formed from inorganic substance, and according to the Epicurus advocated the origin of worm and several other animals from the soil or manure by the action of the warmth of the sun and air. Aristotle, according to Aristotle, were often hailed as the founder of the biology, believed that the life arose spontaneously. Von Helmont, the opinion of von Helmont was the opinion that human sweat and wheat bran, when kept together for 3 weeks, can form mice. According to the von Helmont, was the opinion that the human sweat and the wheat bran when kept together for 3 weeks can form mice. Now third theory, theory of biogenesis. मतलब इस थ्योरी में ये बताया कि जो लाइफ क्रिएटेड हुई है फ्रॉम द ऑटोजेनेसिस, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑटोजेनेसिस सेल्फ, फ्रॉम द एबायोटिक थिंग्स. नाउ थर्ड वन इज बायोजेनेसिस. Biogenesis, the third theory, that is biogenesis. Francisco Reddy's experiment is very famous. Francisco Reddy experiment, it is very important for the board examination also. In 1926 to 1698, 1626 to 1698 was the first to discard the spontaneous theory of generation. See here, according to, he cooked some fish for so no organism. You see here Francisco Reddy's experiment, that is based on this is biogenesis experiment of biogenesis experiment by Francisco Reddy. इन्होंने क्या लिए, 3 जार लिए, 3 jars. Okay, it is very important for the board also. Okay, first open and यहाँ पे क्या रखा उन्होंने, fish. Okay, cook some fish so that no organism were left alive and place them in the 3 jar. That is here. This is in all jar contain fish. Okay, and first one is open. Second one covered with muslin cloth. That is muslin cloth. And third one with the parchment paper. Covered with parchment paper. Okay. He cooked some fish so that no organism were left alive and placed them in 3 jars. One of these jars were left uncovered and second jars covered with fine muslin cloth and third was covered with parchment paper. After a few days, maggots appear only in the first jar. फर्स्ट जार में क्या हो गए, मैगट्स. क्यों हो गए, क्योंकि बाहर क्या थे, हाउस फ्लाइज थे. हाउस फ्लाइज यहाँ पे घूम रहे थे और अंदर जाके एग ले कर रहे थे, तो मैगट्स कहाँ डेवलप हो गए, इन द फर्स्ट जार. दैट इज फर्स्ट, दिस वन इज सेकेंड एंड दिस वन इज थर्ड. ओके, After a few days, maggots appear only in the first jar but not in the other two. Why? Because it's covered with the muslin cloth, only air can pass, but here air will not pass from this parchment paper, is totally impermeable in nature. And he thus concluded that the flies arise from the egg laid down by the parent flies in the uncovered jar. He thus does disapprove the spontaneous generation of maggots. ठीक है, उन्होंने बोला कि अगर फ्लाइज इसके अंदर जा रही हैं तभी यहाँ पे मैगट्स आ रहे हैं, लेकिन सेकेंड और थर्ड में मैगट्स नहीं आए. मीन्स फ्लाई ने ही एग ले किया इनसाइड द जार, आफ्टर दैट मैगट्स डेवलप. बट हेयर फ्लाई अंदर नहीं जा पाई, एग लेइंग नहीं हुआ, तो मैगट्स भी नहीं हुए. तो मीन्स इन्होंने स्पॉन्टेनियस जनरेशन को, एबायोजेनेसिस और ऑटोबायोजेनेसिस की थ्योरी को टोटली रिजेक्ट किया बाय दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट, फ्रांसिस्को रेड्डीज एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इटालियन साइंटिस्ट एबेलार्डो स्पेलंजीनी, Lazzaro Spallanzani prepared a nutritive broth of vegetable and meat and placed it in a flask and sealed their neck so that air could not enter inside. He prepared a jar. ऐसा इन्होंने एक जार बनाया, ठीक है, और उसकी जो नेक थी उसको क्लोज कर दिया और इसके अंदर ब्रॉथ बनाया, किसका? वेजिटेबल प्लस मीट. ओके, he prepared a nutritive broth of vegetable and meat and placed in the flask and sealed their neck here, from here sealed it, and so that the air could not enter inside. Then he then boiled the broth for 4 hours. फिर इन्होंने क्या किया? ब्रॉथ को बॉयल किया फॉर 4 hours बॉयल, सो दैट अगर इसके अंदर कोई भी बैक्टीरिया या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है तो वो किल हो जाएगा. एंड नो ऑर्गेनिज्म appeared in the flask. Then therefore concluded that microorganisms are not formed spontaneously but from those already present in the air. आफ्टर दैट इन्होंने क्या किया? इसका नेक ब्रेक कर दिया, ठीक है, इसका ब्रेक कर दिया, एयर इजीली अंदर पास हो गई एंड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप हो गए इन द न्यूट्रिएंट मीडियम. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप इनसाइड द ब्रॉथ और इनसाइड द फ्लास्क. ओके, तो इन्होंने बताया कि जो फर्स्ट जार था जिन्होंने 4 आवर्स तक बॉईल किया था, बॉइलिंग की वजह से उसमें पहले कोई भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं बचा और इन्होंने यहाँ से सील कर दिया था, तो एयर भी इसके अंदर नहीं गई, एज इट इज था. इन्होंने बोला स्पॉन्टेनियस जनरेशन में क्या था कि ये बायोटिकली आपका जनरेट हो जाते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, लेकिन यहाँ पे जनरेट नहीं हुआ, तो मीन्स रिजेक्ट हो गई स्पॉन्टेनियस जनरेशन थ्योरी. आफ्टर दैट इन्होंने उसको प्रूव करने के लिए क्या किया? इसको यहाँ से नेक के को ब्रेक कर दिया और उसके बाद जब एयर अंदर पास हुई तो आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज यहाँ पे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप हो गए. मीन्स माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म कहाँ से आए थे? फ्रॉम द एयर. आफ्टर दैट फ्रेंच बायोकेमिस्ट support this theory, that is biogenesis. Name is Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur. 3 scientists were supported this biogenesis theory. First one is Francisco Redi, second Abel Arrhenius Spallanzani, and third one is Louis Pasteur. This is Redi's experiment, this is Spallanzani's experiment. Now third one is Louis Pasteur experiment.